Another video, and I'm going to be showing you how to get on top of Waterfall. So all you have to do is get Tatsumaki and use explosive push, and I failed. Anyway, time to try again. It takes a couple tries. As you can also see on one of my other videos, as of right now, today I pulled a god pack on a different kind of game, a card game. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Okay, got up here, and I have to go up here, right up there, then up there, and then up there, and all the way around. Oh yeah, I forgot I can get stuck at some parts. Oh crap. Anyway. Then I'm gonna have to wait for the cooldown, since I don't have VIP. I think it costs VIP to have no cooldown, but whatever. Then use it again. That was the first time normally I get to that small step though, but then you go up here and then up there and then you go all the way around. There are some tricky parts along the way, but it's fine. Normally I go the long way for some reason, which is harder, but that's the easy way, basically. I mean, the first time I went the long way because I don't really know why, to be honest, and I'm going to continue with the journey. I have limited time to do this, but I'll post it anyway. Because I do at school. Because I'm still a kid. Also, the main ones that you want to use, if you're doing it with others, use one, or just crush and pull. And Windstorm Fury doesn't really come in handy. Stone Coffin does, and explosive push. Okay, I'm gonna wait for explosive push. I just call it explosion push because I don't know what else to call it. Also, yeah, that's there. Also, the waterfall just falls out of the map. You cannot land on it though. This is just a tutorial how to do it. Like I should be putting on my other channel. There was a failed channel. There is another channel, a third gaming channel, that if I get the password back, I'll just make it into a main channel. Almost there, people. Almost there. If all my friends join, then I'll say hi, though, but yeah, there's also like a barrier up there with the thing. Why did I take damage? Anyway. Oh, yeah, here's the barrier. Then you can also hop onto the barrier. And here you go. You're on top of a waterfall. You also hop on here. Eventually the thing ends and you just fall down. But yeah, that's how you do it, people. Tutorial over. Bye-bye.